Do you want to really need to speak English fast? Or do you just need to sound smooth and natural? Many English learners think native speakers speak very fast. But usually that is not true. Native speakers often speak at a normal speed. The real difference is this: they connect words together. They shorten words. Today you will train your ears and your mouth step by step. First, you will hear the full version, then you will repeat it slowly, naturally, and clearly. Let's begin, my friend. Before we start, if you like the video, please like and write a comment. Thank you so much. Listen to these sentences. I am going to eat breakfast. Again, I am going to eat breakfast. Now, your turn. Good. This is correct English, clear English. But native speakers often shorten going to. They do not usually say going to. They say gonna. Listen, I am gonna eat breakfast.
Fine, but I'm gonna eat my breakfast first.
Again, I am gonna eat breakfast. Now, your turn. Excellent. Listen first. I am going to watch a movie tonight. Again, I am going to watch a movie tonight. Your turn. Good. Now, the natural spoken version. I am gonna watch a movie tonight. Again, slowly. I am gonna watch a movie tonight.
I am definitely gonna watch that.
Now, your turn. Here you are. Very good. Another one. Listen carefully. I am going to call my friend later. I am going to call my friend later. Again, I am going to call my friend later. Your turn. Excellent. Now the connected version. I am gonna call my friend later. Again, I am gonna call my friend later. Now your turn. Great job. Now listen carefully. Native speakers are not trying to sound cool. They are trying to speak comfortable. That is why these short forms exist. Now, let's move another very common pattern. Listen first. Let me help you. No, let me help you. I confused, sorry. First, normal version. Let me help you. Again, let me help you. Now, your turn. Good. Now listen to natural spoken version. Let me help you. Again, slowly.
Let me help you. Hey, come here.
Let me help you. Your turn. Excellent, my friend. Good job. Let me becomes Lemme. This happens very often in spoken English. Now, another example. Listen carefully. Let me check my phone. Again, let me check my phone. Your turn. Very good. Now the natural version. Let me check my phone. Again, let me check my phone. Now your turn. Here you are. Excellent. Now another one. Listen first. Let me think about it. Again, let me think about it. Your turn. Good. Now listen carefully. Let me think about it. Again, slowly. Let me think about it. Now your turn. Excellent. Now notice something important. You do not need to force these sounds. You first hear them, then you slowly repeat them. Over time, they become natural. Now, another important pattern. Listen carefully. Do you want to go for a walk? Again, do you want to go for a walk? Now, your turn. Very good. Now, listen to natural spoken version.
Do you hear me?
Do you wanna go for a walk? Again, slowly. Do you wanna go for a walk? Now, your turn. Good job. Now, let's break it down. Do you becomes daya. Want to comes wanna. This is extremely common in spoken English. Now, another example. Listen first. Do you want to watch TV? Again. Do you want to watch TV? Your turn. Good. Now, the connected version. Do you wanna watch TV? Again. Do you wanna watch TV? Your turn. Excellent. Now another one. Listen carefully. Do you want to get coffee? Again. Do you want to get coffee? Your turn. Good. Now the natural spoken version. Do you wanna get coffee? Do you wanna get coffee? Again, slowly. Do you wanna get coffee? Your turn. Excellent. Now let's continue. Listen carefully. What are you doing? Again. What are you doing? Your turn. Good. Now the connected spoken version. What are you doing?
What do you think?
Again, slowly. What are you doing? Very simple. Now your turn. Excellent, my friend. Let's continue together. Now another example. Listen first. What are you talking about? Again. What are you talking about? Your turn. Very good. Now listen carefully. What are you talking about? Again. What are you talking about? Your turn. Great job. Now another important point. Native speakers connect sounds because it is easier, not because they want to confuse you. Listen first. Can you help me? Again. Can you help me? Your turn. Good. Now listen carefully. Can you help me?
Joe, can you help me?
No!
Again. Can you help me? Your turn. Good job. Another one. Can you repeat that? Again. Can you repeat that? Your turn. Good. Now the natural version. Can you repeat that? Slowly. Can you repeat that? Your turn. Excellent. Now another common sound change. And once you hear them clearly, native speakers suddenly becomes easier to understand. Now important pattern. Listen first. I have to go. Again. I have to go. Your turn. Good. Now listen to the natural version.
I gotta go.
I gotta go. Again, slowly. I gotta go. Your turn. Excellent. Now another example. I have got to the study tonight. Again. I have got to the study tonight. Your turn. Good. Connected version. I gotta study tonight. Again. I gotta study tonight. Your turn. Excellent work. Now you understand something very important. Native speakers are not using different English. They are using connected English. And Now you hear it, understand it, and slowly use it. Tell me in the comments which one feels easiest for you. Gonna, wanna, lemme, gotta, which one sentences with it. Practice slowly, practice clearly, and your English will start to sound more natural day by day. See you in the next lesson, my friend. Please don't forget write comment. See you later.